Well, I'm very proud to be here at the Shared Services Centre in Newport to mark the gift of PPE from the people of Wales to the people of Namibia. Namibia, an African country where we have long-standing partnerships, particularly through the university in Cardiff and the University of Namibia. Some weeks ago, I met with the Vice Chancellor of the Namibien University just to review the ongoing work that goes on between us. And in that discussion, he explained to me the devastating impact that coronavirus is having in the current wave of infections sweeping through Africa. As a result, our colleagues in the NHS have worked enormously hard to bring together items that we can make as a gift to people in that country where we have such strong partnerships on the ground. In a global world where none of us is safe until all of us is safe, today demonstrates our determination for Wales to be genuinely a globally responsible nation.